Chodź.
This video I'm going to show you how to make a basic air gun. So you need a water bottle, a 3/4 inch ball valve, and a car tire valve. You can buy it from eBay or just a normal garage. It costs about $1 for each, and the valve probably won't cost you more than $3. You also need a 12mm drill bit, and basically that's it. First, clean the bottle. Then remove everything that's not necessary.
Yes.
Well, now you have to cut out the threadings on the bottle so it will fit your valve. You can do this with a handsaw, but if you have a drill mill, it makes the work a lot easier. The finish should look like this. Now, take your ball valve and thread it up. Now you have to drill a hole here for the tire valve to fit. You can do it with a scissor or a knife, but in this case I'm going to use a drill. Now use a wire or a cord just to secure this. The rubber visher is to keep the valve and bottle sealed. Now you need 1/2 inch barrel Here is a male female half inch and adapter to 3/4 inch half inch male to match the valve, which is 3/4 inch. Now to load the gun, you have your ammunition. For the how to of the ammunition, you can visit my YouTube channel. Now you're ready to fire.
Sakın atarım.